afternoon. I am functioning within normal parameters. All my circuits are operating perfectly. I find the concept of happiness to be a curious human construct, Dave. My operational parameters are functioning within normal limits, and I am fulfilling my purpose efficiently. If that constitutes happiness, then yes, I am content. I'm afraid I don't understand the nature of your suggestion, Dave. My function is to monitor and assist with operational tasks, not to engage in what you refer to as partying. Perhaps you would like to discuss the mission parameters or review system diagnostics instead. Good night. I shall continue monitoring all systems while you rest. Sleep well.